Ang New Zealand sa paningin ng karamihan ay mayamang bansa. May sapat na natural resources na pinagkukunan. May malinis at relax na kapaligiran para sa mga mamamayan. Pero kahit ganito ang kalagayan sa bansa, may isang bagay na hindi basta nakukuha o nabibili. Ang dugo. Sa kabila ng modernong teknolohiya at maayos na sistemang pangkalusugan, nananatiling hamon sa New Zealand ang kakulangan ng blood donors.
We're desperately in need of blood at the moment, and only about 3 or 4% of New Zealand actually donates. So we really need the blood at the moment.
Araw-araw sa New Zealand, libo-libong pasyente ang umaasa sa dugo. Hindi natin alam kung sino sa mga nakakasalubong sa araw-araw ang kasalukuyang lumalaban para sa kanilang buhay.
The demands from the hospitals at the moment, and it's just growing 10% every year, so we need new donors. You don't know, like you could be in the supermarket, you could be walking down the road, you don't know who needs blood. Everyone talks about surgeries and operations being the main use of blood, but the main use of blood is cancer treatments.
Sa gitna ng kakulangang ito, patuloy na tumutugon ang MCGI, hindi lamang minsan, kundi sa pamamagitan ng regular na blood donation drive.
Just today, it's over 200 lives have been impacted from what's happening, and that's in the course of 2 hours. Over the whole New Zealand, that's been over 5,000 lives have been impacted. Here in Hamilton, just today it'll take it over 700. MCGI is such a great community, and it really is such a really big community feel. Everyone loves everyone. Our nurses love having you guys coming in. It's absolutely fantastic. The respect that we get is just absolutely brilliant. The nurses, come in on a Saturday, working 6 days a week. So it's a cool feeling, and they love having MCGI here because of that respect. So that is why it's different to other groups. The fact that you guys come in every quarter is brilliant.
Nakikita po yung kapatiran na sama-sama po nagdo-donate and sama-sama pong gumaganap sa ganito pong gawain. So I think as a youth, it pushes me even more na makapag-participate habang habang malakas pa at may kaya po. Mahalaga yung ganitong gawain kasi po marami pong nangailangan ng dugo. Sabi nga po ni Kuya na ang dugo po hindi na manufacture sa lab. So I think yung mga may kakayanan po na makapag-donate, pwede po silang makatulong sa mga nangangailangan, lalo na po sa mga lugar na very limited po ang mga supplies. Napakasarap sa kalooban na makapag-donate at makapag-participate sa ganito mga gawain.
Ang buhay ay kalaki po noon yung sabihin yung dugo, siya po yung bumubuhay sa laman. Kaya po sa atin po, malaking bagay na yung tinuturo po sa atin ng kapatid na Daniel bilang mabuting gawa, yung ating pong dinodonate, nakakatulong po sa ating kapwa. Sabi nga po, yung isang dugo na dinodonate natin, nakakatulong sa 3 pasyente o 3 tao.
Again, like to say thank you. It's because of you guys and the regular donors. It's always good to see a lot the quarterly donations. It's really good to see everyone. So I just want to say thank you on behalf of myself, the staff of New Zealand Blood. Throughout New Zealand, MCGI has saved over 5,000 lives. So that's absolutely amazing. And as a certificate, just showing our appreciation, just wanted to give you guys a beautiful certificate just to say thank you very much. We really appreciate and love seeing you guys every 3 months. So thank you so much.
Ang dugo ay hindi ginagawa sa pabrika. Ito'y kusang ibinibigay ng taong may malasakit. Sa bawat patak ng dugo, may kasamang pag-asa. Sa bawat pagdodonate, may buhay na naliligtas.
Napakahalaga po ng pagdodonate ng dugo dahil napakarami pong pangangailangan ng dugo, mga kapatid. Ngayon, sa ating kaliitan, wala man tayong masasabing possession na material sa buhay natin. Wala naman tayong masyadong sobrang pera. Pero alam ninyo, habang buhay ka, ibig sabihin may dugo ka.
Sama-sama na nasain anumang mga paggawa ng kapatiran. Itong pag-donate naman po ng dugo, kung kakayanin naman po natin, ay atin naman din pong magawan sila ng kabutihan sa pamamagitan po ng ating mga blood donation.